Hi, and welcome back. We've reached our final module, and you'll notice that we're transitioning away from talking about working for the money and starting to talk about having the money work for you. In this module, we'll be going through strategies on creating long-term wealth by putting your money to work. What does this actually mean? It simply means that you do not have to put any effort into generating your income. Instead, where you choose to put your money, you'll have the money multiply and grow for you. Is this even possible? Well, yes. One of the methods to do this is by investments. Investments are used to make money work and generate passive income, where adding passive income streams to your portfolio can aid you in increasing your earnings, as well as accelerating your financial goals in other tremendous ways. The term investment can be used to refer to any mechanism used for the purpose of generating future appreciation in income. Referring to the context of our modules, investment is a monetary asset purchased with the idea that the asset will provide income in the future or will be sold later at a higher value for profit gain. There are many vehicles for you to choose from in order to start your investment. These may include bonds, stocks, mutual funds, real estate, gold, silver, as well as Forex. Of course, to decide which investment vehicle is best for you, you need to know their characteristics and why they're suitable for a particular investing objective. But for this particular module, we'll only be focusing on 3 investment vehicles, which are gold, silver, and property. We'll elaborate each vehicle further in the coming modules.